happy and blessed day! This video is for our customers na discouraged because of their credit card issues. So, we are happy to inform you that meron tayong option for that and we can try to work out with the newest product of our Toyota Financial Services. This product is what we call Connected Auto Loan or CAL. So, ito yung product namin na nagko-cover up para sa mga customers na like for example, hindi nyo na-reach yung parameters or the certain score na dapat ma-approve ka for a normal auto loan. We have an option para sa secondary chances natin where magpo-fall ka sa connected auto loan. Like for example, upon normal CI, na-trace nila na meron tayong balance pa for the credit card na still unsettled. Instead na automatically madedecline yung isang account because of that reason na na-trace nila, if further investigate nila kung magkano lang yung balance, yung behavior ba during the loan is nakakapagbayad naman or ongoing pa, or hindi naman ganun kalaki yung outstanding balance nyo sa credit card, they give consideration, magpo-fall tayo sa connected auto loan na ang pinaka terms and condition is that when we got approved sa connected auto loan, upon preparation ng vehicle na bago i-release sa dealership, magkakabit kami ng tracking device. So, anong purpose ng tracking device? Of course, tracking device is to locate your exact location, the behavior of the vehicle in terms of destination. So, during the term of halimbawa 5 years in one contract, Toyota Financial Services are able to access your location in time na kakailanganin nilang malaman kung nasan yung vehicle. So, ang purpose nun, added security lang and assurance to their part, since connected auto loan siya from the root word connected. Syempre higher risk kasi, so kailangan meron silang access sa location na sila lang yung authorized person to access. Nobody but them can able to access the location of the vehicle during the term. And after the term, once finish naman na yung loan, that's the time na it is required na i-deactivate na nila yung tracking device na nakakabit sa sasakyan mo. And since fully owned mo na siya after the term, meaning to say nabayaran mo na siya in full with Toyota Financial, yung tracking device, you have an option to either deactivate or i-activate mo siya, but the access would be yours na. Ikaw na yung mag-access as mag-function na siya as normal tracking device, accessed by the owner. Ang advantage nun, meron ka ng tracking device na kasama sa unit mo, and then renewable yung contract na ikaw na ang mag-subscribe kung gusto mong, para siyang niloloadan lang na prepaid na if you would like to continue the benefit ng tracking device, ikaw na yung maglo-load. So, yun yung mga basic terms and condition. To know more about the details, kontakin nyo po ako. Nasa caption po yung details natin. So, do not be discouraged because of the credit card. Marami na kaming na-release na may mga credit card issues. Nag-fall sila sa connected auto loan. Still na-approve naman sila. So, may chance tayo. I-try natin. And hopefully, maka-avail po kayo nun kung meron tayong problem sa credit card. Or may mga banks naman din na nag-a-approve pa rin kahit may credit card problem, as long as isi-settle siya. But with our connected auto loan, no need to settle naman kung ma-meet nyo naman yung certain parameters ng connected auto loan, and then may chance tayo ma-aprobahan at ma-release pa rin ang brand new vehicle na dream mo. To know more about the details, Christine Caseo po. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Thank you and God bless.